When teams get stuck, everybody has an explanation for why that is. Too much bureaucracy, we think in silos, too many meetings, it's politics, it's lack of innovative thinking, it's capability. But in my experience, those are usually not the root cause of the problem, they're just symptoms. And after having spent almost 20 years facilitating innovation, transformation, change for large organizations, I've noticed that it's usually at least one of these four things. The interesting part is that most teams don't know which ones they are missing. And then once you know which one you're missing, getting people unstuck becomes a whole lot easier. Let's start with the first one. Clarity, or lack thereof, can keep a team absolutely stuck. Because are you actually solving the right problem? Because I've seen incredibly capable teams with the smartest people spending weeks coming up with solutions for a problem that wasn't the problem at all. And if the brief is wrong, no amount of brainstorming or clever thinking is going to save you. The second one is perspective. Have you talked to the right people? And do you have the right information? I mean, have you spoken to customers? Have you spoken to the right stakeholders? Have you talked to the people who are finally responsible for implementing the idea or implementing the strategy? Because sometimes the breakthrough you need isn't better ideas, better thinking, it's just better input early on. I mean, I've seen teams be stuck for weeks simply because they didn't have the right input from the right people and therefore they couldn't move forward. All right, the third one then is alignment. Or is everybody genuinely trying to achieve the same thing? I mean, marketing thinks you're solving one problem, operations thinks that you're solving another problem, and leadership thinks that we're all kind of solving a completely problem altogether. And everybody leaves the meeting thinking that everybody's aligned until the work starts.
I'm sorry, what were we supposed to do again?
And the final one, this is a big one. Commitment. You know what to do, everybody agrees, but nobody makes a decision. So then another meeting gets scheduled or another workshop gets planned. Lack of commitment or indecision absolutely kills momentum. And before you know it, everything just slowly grinds to a halt. That's when people get stuck. So whenever I walk into a project, I usually just find out really quickly which ones of the four it is. If people are stuck, it's usually because of either lack of clarity, lack of perspective, lack of alignment, or lack of commitment. But the good news is, once you really know which one it is and what gets in the way, you can get things unstuck and get things moving again. And maybe you don't even need an external facilitator to help you do just that. If this simple framework resonates, I would love to hear from you. Which ones do you see most often around you? And how do you deal with them, more importantly?